Hello to all my friends out there. So let me see if I can show you. You want to make, this is a quarter tube chorizo. So this is about 25 cents worth of chorizo. And then these are canned potatoes. So this is going to make a nice big batch of chorizo, potatoes, and eggs. I bought this olive oil at Aldi's. You can use any kind of oil. So this is going to be cheap, of course, but it's also going to be tasty. So you wanna fry your potatoes like fried potatoes. You don't want to get them fried good. Okay. Now, I made some peach passion tea, but what's really good about it is it's really black tea. It's gonna be a good burrito, you guys. These could be leftover baked potatoes. Okay, so I got 2 cans I'm gonna be eating. The potato there is a rather big potato, and so in these cans is supposed to be about 10 potatoes. So this is just 1 potato. Okay, now let me move back over here. Okay, so my potatoes were already cooked. See how my potatoes are looking tasty? Now I want to put the egg in. And then I just want to scramble the egg. And then this is going to be tasty in my burrito. Okay, now back over here. Okay, so now I use my my creamer to make some milk for my tea. One-half cup hot water and 1/6 cup coffee creamer. This is perfect for tea. Did I already put the sugar in? I don't remember. So I have a good drink. Oh, this is so cute. Look. My angelfish fell. I can't reposition them. I'm going to burn my burrito food. Okay, so it's looking good. Now I just want to heat a flour tortilla in a dry pan. See, there's no oil or anything, it's just a dry pan. So all that's in here is 1 canned potato, 1 egg, and a quarter tube chorizo. Let me show you something. I have a half a tube left, and that is a quarter tube. So it's quite a bit. Chorizo is cheap. And then with my pears, let me move over here. I made an apple Betty last week. So what you're going to do is you're going to make stuff with pears and with potatoes. And one thing's good is vanilla yogurt with pears. And then to put on my burrito, I got this cheese at Dollar Tree. So I'll just put it on top of my burrito meat. If you don't have a flour tortilla, this is really, really good with cinnamon toast. I hope I still have salsa. Oh, good. And this is just salsa that I made out of Rotel tomatoes. I just ground them in the blender. So you don't have to add, you can add buttery cooking spray, but you don't really need to. I will taste this. I will tell you how it tastes. I'm very hungry. It's late. This is good, and it's cheap too. It's about being cheap, definitely, but it's also about making good stuff. So 25 cents worth of chorizo. So 10 cents worth of eggs, because they say there's 10 potatoes in each of those cans that I bought for $1. Yummy. The Rotel tomatoes are cheap. The tea is about 5 cents per. If you heat it like this, your cheese is going to melt. I bought these tortillas at 99 cents only. Let's see here. Owie. And then I started buying desserts individually. I'm so glad I'm off the carnivore diet. So with chorizo, this is a little cinnamon twist. I had a customer, I'll never forget her. She was trying to help me, you know, get ahead. And she told me when she came here from India, she said to her husband, we can go on the way we are, and we can stay like this forever, because they didn't have enough money. They couldn't save any money. They just had a little bit of money. And so or we can do something about it. So what she did, this is cute. What they did is they saved money. They only ate every other day. You know, you see these people, wow, you know, they're so lucky they own a motel. Yeah, but you didn't see the part where they only ate every other day, and her treats would be these things. So at this point, they're about 18 cents, but back in the day, they used to be bigger. This is good, you guys. And the Rotel tomatoes make sure you never run out of salsa. All right, take a look at this. So this is a substantial meal. You're not going to get hungry. You're going to put this one on the list of cheap meals, and you're going to get yourself a notebook, and you're going to keep track of these in case hard times ever hit. And stockpile the big cans for $1. I got these at 99 cents only, both of them. No, I got this at Dollar Tree and this at 99 cents only. Six servings of pears and 5 servings of potatoes. They say 2 potatoes. And I will be making stuff out of the pears and the potatoes. And God bless you all.